Hello guys, this is Edjon Gomez. In this video, I would like to express my gratitude to each one of you, especially na sa aking mga followers and non-followers ko dyan sa Facebook. So, by the way, this is my first time to create a vlog for my personal vlog. I'm hoping that you may continue to support me, to reach my dream to become a successful in life by the grace of God. Always remember guys, that God is with us. Kahit maraming mga pagsubok, mga problema na pinagdaanan natin sa buhay. So, laban lang po tayo na kasama ang ating Panginoong Jesus. So, ngayon, everyone, I'm humbly requesting to each one of you to follow me again on Facebook, TikTok, um, Instagram, and also you may subscribe me on YouTube, name Edjun Official. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my little video. So again, thank you, and may the good Lord bless us all. Bye-bye.